Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to learn about how we can remove any object from a particular image just in 2 minutes. So let's see how we can do this. So as you can see, this is a beautiful image, and from this image I want to remove this particular object. Okay, so what I have to do for this, first of all open your Google Chrome and search cleanup.pictures. Then click on enter. After that you will get this type of page over here. Okay, then go to this link and click on it. After that it will take you to the place where you can remove the object by just in drag and drop option. Okay, so here you have nothing to do, just drag the image from where you want to remove that particular object, then put it over here, then select the object that you want to remove by highlighting the object here like this. Okay, then wait for a few seconds and it's boom, it's gone, right? So now if you want to download this particular image, then click on this download option and you can get the picture like this, right? So I hope you have a better understanding about how you can remove any object from a particular image just in 2 minutes. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like our channel. Take care. Bye bye.